जो इंडिया गठबंधन के बाकी लीडर्स हैं उनसे हम ये डिस्कशन करेंगे और फिर सरकार पर दबाव डालने की कोशिश करेंगे कि लीगल गारंटी एमएसपी लीगल गारंटी हिंदुस्तान के किसानों को मिले।
The union budget for FY25 may have boosted the agricultural sector with a focus on agri-research and self-sufficiency.
We will promote farmer-producer organizations, cooperatives, and startups for vegetable supply chains, including for collection and storage and marketing.
But one group remains unhappy, the farmers. Just a day after the budget was presented, farmer leaders from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu met with the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi to voice their unmet concerns, including the legalization of minimum support price. What are the farmers demanding? The Kisan Mazdoor Morcha and Samyukt Kisan Morcha, representing over 300 unions, want a legal guarantee for MSP for all crops. They also demand that crop prices be set according to the MS Swaminathan report. A legally binding MSP would ensure that no one could purchase farm produce below the MSP and violations would be punishable by law. Currently, the government provides MSP for 23 crops, but most procurement focuses on wheat and rice, as these are the primary food grains distributed under the government's public distribution system. In addition to a legal guarantee, farmers are asking for an increase in the MSP to at least 50% above the weighted average cost of production as recommended by the Swaminathan Commission. The National Commission on Farmers, chaired by renowned agriculturalist MS Swaminathan, submitted 5 reports between December 2004 and 2006. The UPA government introduced the National Policy for Farmers in 2007, aiming to improve the economic viability of farming and increase the farmers' net income. However, the recommendation to increase MSP to at least 50% above the weighted average cost of production was not included in the policy. Now, more than 2 years after forcing the BJP-led central government to repeal the 3 farm laws, farmers continue to protest for their unfulfilled demands. In addition to the legalization of MSP, they seek pensions for farmers and farm labourers, a farm debt waiver, the withdrawal of police cases and justice for the victims of the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. Now recently, leaders of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha non-political and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha announced plans for nationwide protests, including tractor marches on August 15. KMM leader Sarwan Singh Pandher stated that the farmers' Delhi Chalo March will complete 200 days on August 31. The farmers have been camping at the Shambhu and Khanori border points since being stopped by the Haryana police on the Ambala-New Delhi National Highway. That's all for now. If you found this video informative, make sure to follow and subscribe to Business Standard for more insightful content.